What's good, future millionaires? We back with another banger. I'm DecemberDeMarco, Fortune 500 marketer, here to share my insights of the market with y'all to hopefully help y'all become better informed investors, man. Salute to y'all for pulling up on the channel. Make sure you hit that thumbs up like button for the YouTube algorithm, and do not forget to subscribe. So we got some massive Shiba Inu updates. That mass adoption is just inching more and more close to, the goals that we'd like to see. So major fashion house Balenciaga is to now accept Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Shiba Inu payments in the United States. So let's get into this article right here. So we just seen we had Gucci accept SHIB. Now, do y'all notice that there's a ripple effect? Once we get one major company in an industry, we start to see, basically a green light throughout that whole industry. So that's what we're waiting for right now with more major industries. But this is an example of what's to come. So Balenciaga has become the latest fashion brand to announce it has started accepting cryptocurrency payments across its flagship stores in the United States. According to Womanwear Daily report, the French fashion brand will be accepting Bitcoin and Ethereum payments in selected U.S. stores, including its branches at Madison Avenue, New York, and Rodeo Drive in Beverly Hills, as well as its online store, Balenciaga.com. So Balenciaga, to expand the offering, the company disclosed that it will include its stores in other regions in the near future following customers' reactions to the initiative. Furthermore, while Balenciaga has started accepting Bitcoin and Ethereum payments, the company noted that it will add other digital currencies to the list once it selects a cryptocurrency payment provider. Once Balenciaga chooses a payment provider like BitPay, the list of supported cryptocurrencies may expand to include many digital currencies, including Shiba Inu, Dogecoin, and Cardano. Balenciaga unbothered about crypto volatility. The development does not seem to be made at the perfect time, given the total cryptocurrency market is down by a large margin, with over 1 trillion wiped off from the market in the last 2 weeks. Concerns about massive volatility associated with cryptocurrencies have been raised in the past few weeks as investors continue to tread carefully to mitigate their losses. Interestingly, Balenciaga is unbothered about the volatile nature of cryptocurrencies, as the popular fashion brand disclosed that it is thinking long-term about crypto, adding that fluctuations in currency value are nothing new. So this is, a good sign that we like to see right here, because like I said, it's a glimpse into the future of what's to come. So we can see companies like Gucci, set the trend for major fashion brands to be able to start accepting it. And now we see Balenciaga speaking on the same thing, so now we can expect, to hear from the rest of the, major brands, any of them. It doesn't really matter the order, but it's just showing that there's a ripple effect and mass adoption happening. So once we get a major company like, a major partnership similar to what we're working on right now with Red Bull, once that goes through, we can expect to see, possibly some Coca-Cola or Pepsi themed Shiba Inu promotions as well. It can get real, creative out here. So that's what I'm looking forward to. Let's take a look at the prices real quick. Just check out the overall market. And also, CoinGecko ran this poll here today asking, are you team Dogecoin or team SHIB? And you can see from over 6,000 votes, we got 81.9% of people saying that they are team Shiba Inu. So I think that's a really bullish sign to show that, the SHIB army is even stronger than the Dogecoin army online right now. So let's take a look at the overall prices. We got the overall market down 1.14%, sitting at $1.26 trillion. Bitcoin at $29,279. Ethereum $19.93. We got BNB at $324, creeping up a little bit, 2.3% for the day. I told y'all BNB under that $300 level was an absolute steal. We still got Doge hovering around 8 cents. And our token of the hour, SHIB, it was back to that 1185 level. We just seen it creep up to the 12 level. So we're starting to see a lot of people day trade it. I told y'all, people aren't going to wait for the price to go back to all-time highs for them to make money again. What they're going to do is buy low and then end up selling high again. So let's take a closer look in here, a 4-hour chart. Okay, so we found support. Our major level of support is around that 9.3, 9.40 level, just about the nines. So the people that caught that dip right there, they're taking profits once we, hit that 14 level. And we just bounce back down again to around the low 11s. And once we get back up to that high 12 range, we see people take profit again. So they're basically day trading in between this range of just about the 13 range and the 11 range. So, you got to get familiar with these indicators like Bollinger Bands, looking at RSI, the Relative Strength Index, as well as moving average, convergence, divergence. So that way you can use these all together to be able to determine what's likely to happen next. So let's pull out our Bollinger Bands. Get RSI as well. Now let's see what we got here. So if we zoom in, we can see on the 4-hour chart our price is likely, if we just first look at our Bollinger Band indicators, the price is likely to pull back down to, it shows us around the 1130 level. So it's likely to pull back down to that 1130, which is not too far from where we are right now. But that's what's likely to happen. If we take a look at our RSI, that also gives us some confirmation that we still have some room to potentially not just like cool off, but pull back if the selling pressure is high. We're sitting at a 45. Remember, 35 and below is where it becomes oversold. So until it hits that range, smart money or day traders aren't really going to step in to try to push the price up unless we get some type of catalyst. Also, we can take a look at our MACD. And if we look here, we can see the blue line is still above this yellow line. So it's letting us know that the price still could potentially see selling pressure and come down. So we're going to wait for that to, cross over and then look for it to cross back over the yellow line. And that's when we get, a confirmation that it's a good time to buy. So that's all we got for this video. Appreciate y'all for pulling up, and we are out.